Roses are one of the most given flowers in the world. Any event or occasion takes on an atmosphere of romance when roses are around. Roses are also some of the most famous flowers in the world. They are the main and important element of many festivals and celebrations. Many people associate red roses with love and passion. Red roses symbolize love, passion, elegance, and perfection. The goddess of the flower kingdom represents feminine beauty and impregnability, the purity of feelings, the genuineness of emotions.
Please like, share and subscribe Natural Homestead for more amazing facts about plants. Thank you.